Assalamualaikum, welcome to Rifsal Teach. I want to show you something actually how to start a small business, like invest only $15. So right here you can see like I have a one watch tool repair box. This is only like 12 bucks. So if you buy this one, and you can easily start a small business like watch business. So right now I open this box and I want to show you like you can see guys, like you have like everything, like how to like repair your like watch. So if you buy this toolbox, then you can easily start your small business. Then actually I have so many video like how to fix your watch and blah blah toolbox, and it's only $12. So if you like to do something, and then why not this one? And this is a like you don't need like any experience, nothing, just watch my couple of video and you can easily start this business, and you can make inshallah good money too. And also you don't need like a shop, so you have like a small house or a small room and you can easily fix them. And so like how do you get a buyer? So if you like if you create a like Facebook page, you watch it, like you fix the watch and people call you, and you can give your address and people come and you can fix it easily. And it's like if you like it's not too hard to fix watch. Usually we fix only like is like a watch band, and we only like put a new battery, yeah, blah blah. So we charge $30 to $20 every single thing. And thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. And if you have any question, so just leave me some comment and I'll reply them. And also I'll leave the like link how to buy it, how to purchase this product. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me for a new update video.